I'm excited. I just found when I came home a package in the mail. It doesn't really say who it's from, but I think I know what it is just based on the feel of it. And if I'm right, this is an anti-oloid. What might an anti-oloid be? So an anti-oloid is part of like a group of newer shapes that have a constant diameter. And what that means is that it rolls like a bottle would roll. There are a few of these shapes and they're all kind of weird. They're not shapes that you would expect to be able to roll like they do. So let's take a look. Now, I did spend way too much money on this just for a little toy that does absolutely nothing. And oh my goodness, look at those colors. It's just got all kinds of colors. Oh, that is beautiful. Wonder if it works. Oh yeah, you have to move it a certain way. So I like collecting these interesting toys and stuff. I think that I'll be showing some more of cool gadgets and toys that I've collected over the years. I mean, it does roll a little bit.
Thank you for listening.